Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how a NOR gate works. First, let's get a NOR gate from this panel. As you can see, there are two input terminals wherein we will use toggle switches for the inputs, and then for the output we will use light bulb again. You will notice that the symbol for a NOR gate is like an OR gate, like this one, with a small circle here at the output side, this one. Actually, this NOR gate is equivalent to an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. So this bubble actually represents this NOT gate. As you can see, when the two inputs are off, the output is on, okay? Because the light bulb is on. When I turn on one of these switches, the light bulb turns off. So I'll switch this off again and I will turn on the other one and the light bulb again is off. Okay, when I turned on both switches, the light bulb is still off. So it means that the light bulb or the output will only be turned on when these two inputs are off. Okay, actually the function of an OR gate just negate the output of an OR gate. Okay, so as you can see here, this NOR gate is equivalent to this logic circuit combination of an OR gate and a NOT gate. It means that whatever the output of an OR gate, it will just be inverted by the inverter or by this NOT gate. So if this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, let's go back to the truth table of an OR gate. This is the truth table that we got in the last video. When the two inputs are off, the light bulb is off. So this is the truth table. And when at least one of the inputs is 1 or both are 1, the light bulb is on. Okay, so it means that in these three conditions, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, the output is 1 because the light bulb is turned on during this time. And here for the NOR gate, this is what we got when the two inputs are off, the light bulb is on. That's the only time the light bulb is on. In this truth table, we can have output 1 if the two inputs are off. And then for the other input combinations, the output is off. Okay, here off. So let's go back to this. Here, the only time it is off is when the two inputs are off. And here, it is only on when the two inputs are off. The NOR gate is the opposite of the OR gate. Okay, so that's it for this video. For the next video, we will have a NAND gate. Okay, stay tuned.